Today our topic is pointers in C. Yeah. Pointer is what? Pointer is the address variable. It means pointer is what? Pointer which holds an address of another variable. Suppose this, when I write this int a, it means a is the variable which is capable to hold integer type of data. When we want to store address of this a, then we need another type of variable, and that variable is called address variable or pointer. Okay? Suppose this is a variable. This variable is what? Variable is capable to hold data. And pointer is what? Pointer hold address of this variable. So this is a pointer, and this pointer is capable to hold address of the variable. Clear? In C programming, before using the variable, first we have to declare it. Similarly, before using the pointers, first we have to declare. Okay? So how to declare the pointers? Data type, and then use this symbol pointer, and then pointer name and semicolon. For example, I write this int pointer p semicolon. Int pointer p means p is a pointer which points to integer type of data. Same, when we declare simple variable int a semicolon, a is the variable which is capable to hold integer type of data. Integer data. This is the variable. But here when we write this int pointer p, so p is the variable, or p is a pointer variable, or p is a pointer which points to integer data. So this is the declaration, int pointer p and semicolon. So here this p is what? P is the name of pointer, and this symbol before the name indicates that p is the pointer type variable. Clear? So this pointer points to this type of data. Clear? Now how to assign the address to the pointer? So then we need this address operator. Simple. I write this pointer name, assignment operator, address operator, variable name and semicolon. So this is the syntax to assign address to the pointer. For example, suppose I write this int a assignment operator 5, comma pointer p. It means there are two variables, one is a and second is p. But p is the pointer type and a is the data variable. So a, the value of a is 5, and this p is a pointer which points to integer value. So how to assign the address to this p? I write this p assignment operator, then address operator, then a. So address of a is assigned to p. So p assignment operator, then address, this is ampersand address operator, then a. So this address of this a is assigned to p. Clear? This is the way to define or to assign address to the pointer. Okay? Here remember one thing. Suppose I write this int a assignment operator 5 and pointer p. Okay? And I assign this address of a to this p. So a is what? A is the simple variable. So when we print a, we will get what? 5. Print a percent d a, we will get 5. But when we want to print p, so p is what? Address of 5. P is what? Address of 5. But what is pointer p? When we want to print pointer p, so pointer p is what? Pointer p is a data. Data which is pointed by p. It means pointer p is what? Pointer p is also 5. Okay? So a is the data, a represents the data, pointer p represents the data, and p represents address. Okay? P is a pointer, but pointer p is represents data. So pointer p is what? Pointer p is the data which is pointed by p. So it means p is what? Pointer p is what? Pointer p is 5. But p is what? P is the address of it. Clear? So this is the simple definition of pointer, what is pointer and how to declare and assign address to the pointer. Clear? Now, when we use arithmetic operations on pointer, these are permissible arithmetic operators for pointers: increment, decrement, plus and minus. Okay? Plus plus, this is the increment operator, minus minus, decrement, plus for addition, and this is for minus, okay, subtraction. So these are the operations which are applicable for pointers. But in pointer arithmetic, remember, this pointer arithmetic is not according to data. This pointer arithmetic is according to data type. In case of simple variable, I write this int a equals to 5, comma b equal to 3. When we want to add a and b, a plus b, so we will get what? 5 plus 3, 8. But here, the pointer arithmetic is not according to data. This is according to data type. Clear? Now, consider the simple example: int a assignment operator 5, comma pointer p. It means a is a simple variable and value of a is 5 and p is a pointer. Clear? P assignment operator, ampersand a, address of this a is assigned to p. Okay? It means this is a pointer and this pointer points to a. A means 5. Clear? Suppose the size of this integer is of 4 byte. We assume the size of integer is of 4 byte. So when we write this statement printf %x p, %x is for hexadecimal output, okay? So p is what? P is the address. So we will get what? We will get the address of this a. Suppose we will get this A23A2844. This is the hexadecimal address of this a. Clear? Suppose we want to print plus plus p. Plus plus p means apply increment operator on this p. Increment of p is not according to data. This increment on p is according to data type. The size of this integer data is of 4 byte. So then plus plus p means increment this address by 4. So what we will get? We will get A23A2848. Increment this by 4. Plus plus p means increment this value of p by 4. Okay. Similarly, when we write this minus minus p, to decrement this by 4, A23A2840. Okay. P plus 2. P plus 2 means 2 address increment, 2 address addition. So size of one address is of 4 byte. So add 4 plus 4, yani 8 to this p. So p is what? A232844. When we add 8, then we will get this one. Clear? And similarly, p minus 2, decrement by 2 address. 2 address means 8 byte. So when we minus 8 from this, we will get this one. So remember, pointer arithmetic is not according to data. Pointer arithmetic is according to data type. Clear? Suppose the data type is character and assume the size of character is of 1 byte. So p plus 1 means increment by 1. Clear? P minus 1 means decrement p by 1. So these are the permissible arithmetic operations on pointers. Here remember one thing also. Suppose we have two pointers, pointer p1 and pointer p2. Okay, pointer p1 is of this suppose integer type and p2 is also of integer type. P1 plus P2, P1 multiply P2, P1 divide P2, P1 remainder P2. These operations are illegal or not permissible. It means we cannot add two pointers, not multiply two pointers, not divide two pointers, not apply this remainder operation for two pointers. But P1 minus P2 is permissible. It means subtraction of two pointers is permissible. Clear? Now consider this example. Int I assignment operator 5 semicolon. Int pointer P assignment operator address of I. Int pointer T. Okay. T assignment operator P semicolon. P assignment operator P plus 3 semicolon. Printf %x P minus T. Okay. Int I equals to 5 means I is a variable and value of this I is what? 5. Okay. Int pointer P I, address of I is assigned to P. So P is a pointer and address of I is in this. So this P points to I. When I write this T assignment operator P, it means value of P is assigned to T. So value of P is what? Address of I. P is what? P is the address. Address of I is P. So this address of I is assigned to T, it means T also points to I. So in this statement, T assignment operator P means P and T both points to this I. The value of P and value of T is same. Okay. P equal to P plus 3. Increment this P by 3 address. Okay. When we write this printf P minus T, what will we get? We will get 3. So the this subtraction operation is permissible. P minus T is what? P minus T is 3. P at this point value of P and T both same, but here we increment the P by 3 addresses. Okay, when we write this P minus T, so then the difference is what? Difference is of 3 addresses. So this P minus T will get 3. 3 is the answer. Okay. So in case of pointer arithmetic, pointer addition not possible, multiplication not possible, division not possible, remainder not possible, but this P minus P2 is possible. Okay. P minus P2 is legal statement. Clear? So this is about pointer arithmetic. Okay. We can also declare double pointers. Double pointer means pointer to the pointer. Okay. Here this int A assignment operator 5, pointer P, and this is pointer Q. Pointer Q means this is double pointer Q. Pointer P and this is double pointer Q. Double pointer means which points to the pointer. Pointer is what? Pointer points to the variable. Pointer int A 5 and pointer P, or I write this P assignment operator A. So A is variable, so this P points to A. But suppose another variable which points to this P, then we need this double pointer. So double pointer Q equal to address of P. So here A is a data, P is a pointer, P points to A, and Q is a double pointer, this points to pointer. The double pointer points to a pointer and pointer points to a data. Clear? So, this is the way to declare double pointers, and we can use double pointers also in programming. Clear? So here in this class we will discuss simple what is pointer. Pointer is simple address variable. How to declare it. How to assign address of variable to the pointer. Okay. What is the difference between pointer and data?